Bitgert value expectation synopsis. The cost of one Brise would generally reach as high as $0.000002 United States dollars by 2025, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitgert cost gauge recommends a chance of Brise exchanging between $0.000005 to $0.000005 in 2030, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could especially outperform the $0.000204 mark for 2050, exhibiting pretty expected vertical energy in a genuinely significant manner. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert, Brise, in 2040 is $0.000129, with an especially likely lovely high of $0.000160 in a very significant manner. With the by and large current cost of $0.00000017, Bitgert in a real sense holds its ground on the lookout, or so they truly thought. Starting around 06 January 2024, Bitgert for the most part is exchanging at $0.00000017 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.75% in very most recent 1 hour amazingly. Brise has a really all-out market cap of $67,514,878, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,446,708, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This most certainly makes Bitgert, Brise, in every practical sense, positioning at 443 in the cryptographic money market, which by and large is very huge. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert be by and large worth in 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Bitgert a truly wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2024? Will Brise cost especially outperform its unequaled especially high in an essentially large manner? These sort of are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2024. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the Brise cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross an especially normal value level of $0.00000025, the normal kind of least value worth of Bitgert, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be $0.00000025, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, Brise can explicitly arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of $0.00000029 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert, Brise, value figure January 2024. For January 2024, the cost of Bitgert generally is anticipated to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.00000018, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.00000019 and a very least of $0.00000017. Or so they really thought. Bitgert value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Bitgert is supposed to be at around a very least of $0.00000018 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert cost can explicitly arrive at a for the most part limit of $0.00000019, with the typical cost of $0.00000019 in United States dollars, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert value expectation walk 2024. Bitgert cost is supposed to basically reach between $0.00000019 to $0.00000020 in walk 2024, while the very normal cost of Brise for the walk stays around $0.00000020. Bitgert, Brise, value forecast April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Bitgert cost especially is estimate to generally arrive at a fundamentally the most minimal cost of $0.00000019 in a kind of enormous manner. The Brise cost could explicitly arrive at a really most extreme cost of $0.00000021, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.00000020 in an especially enormous manner. Bitgert value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, The kind of greatest cost for Bitgert could in a real sense stretch around $0.00000022, which generally is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in May 2024 in a real sense is $0.00000020 with a by and large normal cost of $0.00000021 in a really significant manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitgert in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000020 and $0.00000023, which really is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000021, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitgert value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the most extreme cost for Bitgert could in every way that really matters stretch around $0.00000024, or so they especially thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in July 2024 sort of is $0.00000021, with a really normal cost of $0.00000022, exhibiting that starting around 06 January 2024, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000017 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.75% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they basically thought. Bitgert value expectation August 2024. Bitgert value sort of is supposed to truly reach between $0.00000022 to $0.00000025 in August 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Brise for the August especially remains around $0.00000023. Brise value figure September 2024. Concerning September 2024. Bitgert by and large is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a really least value worth of $0.00000022 in a kind of enormous manner. The Brise cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.00000025 with the by and large normal cost around $0.00000023, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Brise value figure October 2024. The Bitgert conjecture for October 2024 expects that the Brise may really arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0.00000027, with a base cost of around $0.00000023. Discussing the typical value Brise can truly stretch around $0.00000024 for October, which really shows that Bitgert, Brise, value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitgert in June 2024